Technology is a powerful tool for hotels, but only if it's properly installed and configured. Unfortunately, you likely have some experience with technology that didn't deliver because it was poorly installed. That's why we're excited to introduce the revolutionary Installation Assist feature. This feature takes all the guesswork out of phone system setup and installation and ensures that all the benefits are going to be realized from day one. The Installation Assist tracks the status of all guest room and admin phones and knows when they have been tested and working. It also provides a checklist with our rigorous testing process to ensure that the system is working and compliant with all emergency calling laws and regulations. The on-site installer can use the mobile app to mark items as complete, take pictures, add notes, and set exceptions for guest rooms that are not accessible, for example. Once the installation is complete, the hotel receives a summary email detailing everything that was tested, along with any follow-up items that might need to be addressed. The Phonesuite Installation Assist reduces downtime, reduces impact to your guests, and ensures that your new system is set up correctly so you can realize the full power of your new system from day one. This feature is a game changer for how phone systems are installed, and we're proud to be at the forefront of innovation.